In this video, we will show options for using base gels. The choice of base gel depends on the result needed. So the first gel, it's called base gel, a base for gel polish. With this gel, you will get the most natural manicure. It is applied in a very thin layer, followed by a color coat and a top gel. Nail surface leveling is not possible with this gel. We cure it 30 seconds in the lamp. If I need to strengthen or level the nail plate, I will use a different gel. In this case, it is a low-acid rubber base. For the first layer, I apply thinner to get a slip layer surface. Then I use more material, which I apply in the center and smooth out towards the lateral fold. The gel self-levels perfectly, and at the end of the process, I cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. The next option is similar to the previous one, but in this case, I will use a color base, which gives a quick color result. In the same way, I first put a thin layer, then apply a little more gel to the cuticle area, since this is the area of a given nail that requires more material for leveling. Using gravity, I direct the gel towards the free edge. If necessary, I use a brush to level side areas and the free edge. I cure this gel in a lamp for 60 seconds on a low power mode. The base can also be used as a thin base for any builder gels, acrylics or gel acrylic. In this case, I take very little material and, using a builder brush, apply a thin layer to the nail with rubbing movements.